Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well and are keeping safe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Chris Juguna. In case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I promised I bring you recipe dinner rolls, and here it is. As you have seen, nimeweka yeast kwa warm water, not hot water, not this. It's warm water. Let it rest for like 5 to 7 minutes. Then here are my ingredients. Niko na 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of margarine. There's a difference between tablespoon and teaspoon. Tablespoon hii ya kukula, teaspoon ni haka kadogo ka kukoroga chai kwa kikombe, sukari ukiweka kwa kikombe ako kadogo. So for me, I decided to buy my measuring cups, so that it can be easy for me. So you mix your dry ingredients. Hapa nipo nilisahau kuweka my food color, which is optional by the way. Hata kama ningesahau singeshinda nikiweka, but I decided just to try and put some. Make sure umezikoroga vizuri kabisa. Then you now add your wet ingredients, which is egg, na the mixture of the yeast and warm water that you mixed. Ukiona that mixture of yeast and warm water haina bubbles hapo juu, ujue the yeast is not, it will not work, like ime backfire. So you have to umwage kutengeneza yeast ingine from zero. Now this is where I decided to add my yellow food color, but it came out nicely. Mix it well. You can use a spoon, you can use a spatula, you can use your hands. So niliona kijiko na nimestia time. I just decided to go in with my hands because why not? Sisi tunakula na ni mimi ndo mpishi na mikono yangu ni safi, nimeosha, because every time I'm in the kitchen, make sure you wash your hands when you are in the kitchen. Before you do anything, wash your hands. So nika mix vizuri kabisa. At first time nilikuwa na kama itakuwa red, like the mixture will be red, but as I was continuing to mix, ilikuwa tunaenda ikachange color hadi ikakuwa yellow. At this point, I need to have some kitchen gloves. As you have seen, nimeweka ile mixture yetu ya yeast and warm water. So ukoroge vizuri, make sure umeikoroga vizuri, like it doesn't have any lumps. You understand? After that, you can now go on and add in your flour. Ukande unga yako vizuri kama venye tu nakandanga ya chapo. Make sure it's soft, and then you add in your margarine. Continue kneading your dough until it becomes soft and like haina any lumps. We are just avoiding lumps in every dough that we make. After kneading your dough, you can now cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. For me, niliacha ikarest for almost 1 hour. After 1 hour, as we have seen, it has raised. Then take your baking tray. For me, I'll be using this one. Meanwhile, before ninunue the baking tray, spread your either foil paper ama baking paper. For me, I used baking paper. I didn't have foil paper this time. Now you can start making some balls. Unaona kama vile tunatengenezanga tu ya chapo. You can make some balls. They can be equal. They cannot be equal. It's not a must they be equal, because at the end of the day macho inatudanganyanga, inatuambia it's equal but it's not equal. You get. After umemaliza kutengeneza your balls, now you can start arranging them like zikaribiane kidogo. But these are scones. Unajua scones, here in Kenya we call them scones, like dhigoji. Unajua dhigoji? Yes, these are the dhigoji now, the scones. So make sure zimekaribiana so that when they are cooking in the oven and they raise, they can attach to each other. Don't get tired. In the kitchen we don't get tired, because when you get tired your food will not come out nicely. So again, cover your balls for 5 to 7 minutes, and at this particular time my oven was heating at 180 degrees. Make sure you preheat your oven before you take your hizo vitu kwa oven. So let's make egg wash. Egg wash, it's just ni mayai tu, unaweka tu mayai kwa your bowl, unai-whisk and then unapaka your scones or your dinner rolls. And now let's bake our dinner rolls at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Grace Njuguna's dinner rolls, drum rolls. Yes, let me tell you guys, I was so much proud of myself. Like, I was even shocked. Did I just bake this? Yes, I baked that. And while they are still hot, apply butter to each and every roll. Yes. So let me give you a secret. Make sure you bake your dinner rolls at night so that you can enjoy them in the morning when they are cooled and chilled. You don't have to bake in the morning alafu mkule ikiwa moto. No, just bake them at night. Here I was trying to divide it into two so that I can show you ndani vile imeiva vizuri, and it was too hot to handle. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you my loves. I love you people. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the notification gang. Bye. See you on to my next one. Love y'all.